Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and today I'm sharing a protein-rich coffee breakfast smoothie recipe which will help to keep you feel fuller till lunchtime. Easy to make on those busy mornings and no cooking needed. Super filling, loaded with healthy fats and a perfect healthy breakfast for those busy people. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a small bowl, I'm adding in 3 tablespoons old-fashioned rolled oats. Into that, I'm adding in some water. And I'm allowing the oats to soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. When you're consuming raw oats, it's always ideal to soak them for at least 10 to 15 minutes. You can also roast the oats before consuming them. Soaking or roasting the oats helps to release the phytic acid content in oats. Phytates are nutrient inhibitors which may prevent nutrient absorption and also may cause digestive issues like gas, bloating or indigestion when consuming oats. If you have noticed having digestive issues like gas and bloating or indigestion when consuming oats, you can soak it for a longer period or you can even soak it overnight. So for now, I'm going to soak it for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's about 15 minutes and the oats are nicely soaked. So I'm going to rinse it under running water and then I'm going to keep it on a strainer. The oats are rinsed under running water and I have added onto a strainer. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in 1 glass or 1 cup of water. Into this, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon organic instant coffee powder, half teaspoon raw cacao powder. Adding raw cacao powder will bring up the coffee flavor, but this is entirely optional. If you don't prefer, you can totally omit it. For natural healthy fats, I am adding in 8 to 10 or a handful of cashew nuts which I have soaked for about 10 minutes. You can soak the cashew nuts when you are soaking the oats. Instead of cashew nuts, you can also use overnight soaked and peeled almonds. For sweetness, I am adding in 1 soft medjool dates. Medjool dates are really soft, hence it's easily blendable. However, if your dates are not soft like mine, you may need to soak it. You can soak it along with the cashew nuts. To make the coffee smoothie protein rich, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon 100% natural peanut butter. I've already shared how to make peanut butter at home. The links will be updated in the description box below and also at the end of this video. For some extra protein, fiber and omega-3s, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Next, I'm adding in the soaked oats. And lastly, I'm adding in 1 ripe banana. Note that the riper the banana, the more sweeter the banana will be. So make sure that the banana has some black spots on the skin. The more the black spots, the more the sweeter the banana will be. I'm slicing the banana into the blender. And now I'm going to blend this on high speed until everything is nicely mixed and combined. The healthy fats from the cashews and the peanut butter will help to keep you feel fuller and satiated till lunchtime. Pour the thick and creamy coffee smoothie into the serving glass. Sprinkle in a fat pinch of organic instant coffee powder and my super healthy protein and fiber rich coffee breakfast smoothie is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy coffee breakfast smoothie and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.